Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find penny items at Dollar General. First, go to the Dollar General website and scroll down to shop by category. You'll see options like dollar deals and on sale. Tap dollar deals to see products priced at $1 or less. You can add this directly to your cart. For penny items, select on sale and browse through discounted products. Some items are discounted so much they can be as low as 1 penny. Add the items you want to your cart and complete your purchase as usual. And that's it. Penny shopping at Dollar General made easy. And that's how to find penny items at Dollar General. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.